For crackers, right? Was perfect.
Little. And they got a mouthful. I come out and they'd be sitting right on top of it. Whatever part of them was in it. The only one they didn't get in, I have a little one that has 4 sections. That was the only one.
That hurt them. Has been in the water all day.
I know.
The entire day. She's going to pass out tonight.
Here she is, Miss White Oak of 1994.
And I can be yours if the price is right.
Oh, very nice, Kimmy. Very nice.
Now, see, Kimmy, aren't you glad I sent you up for the ice? You went out in the water and you had a good time. Everybody's out there having a good time on the dock instead of sitting in here for the plain Monopoly. See?
Oh, well, I'm not.
You were just out there. What are you saying?
Yeah, I know, but I'm not going to let that fun. Because I can't play King of the Rat. Come.
People from Jersey. Oh, it's a blue baby suit. Is he yours?
Anybody want
That's Ryan.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your son.
I didn't know because he didn't even say hello to you coming in.
I didn't see him until he was right over there.
Here I come.
Dallas have an earring?
No, he's...
The water must be a drop of water.
Are you at him on?
Looks like an earring. Ready?
Hey, we gotta play King of the Rat more often. I thought we drowned.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty fun.
Hey, father and son, belly roll.
Yeah.
I can belly roll. Okay. Mom, we're going to play Stratego. Bye.
Bye.
Benny, why don't you give Kimmy a big hug?
No, Ben,
Nice
don't.
wet hug.
She'll kill me if I get her shoulder.
You playing in our cabin?
Dad, you know what I was doing when I went like that? What I was demonstrating to Dad what happened to me and
Alright, because the baby's still sleeping, Ben.
when you landed right on top of me.
Oh, yeah, that was funny. That was good.
Oh, yeah, it was great. I'll never forget
Dad.
that feeling.
Yes,
Dad, you know Mark? He got Aunt Jody off. He got me off.
you did.
Mark was pretty good at King of the Rat.
Dad, guess what? You know where we're going tonight?
Let's see. Spaghetti House?
Right.
Hey, Brittany's not with
Amy,
Where's
Brittany?
Brittany?
Where's Brittany?
Well, like, where do you walk out?
Yeah, she's still in the jacuzzi. What?
Come down with my grandmother and my sister.
Is she still in the jacuzzi or
No, they're getting out.
Okay.
Hi, Aim. Hi, Aim. Aim.
Yeah.
Yo, Aim. Hi.
How was it, Grace? Good. I didn't get you smiling, Pat. Could you go down again?
Sure. Let's go right up.
Hey, Dad.
Alex! Okay. Sarah!
I can't run!
Wow, that was a long one, huh?
Very brave. Was it fast?
Yeah! That was fun!
I forgot to tell her, you know, there are parts of it where there's like a shower that you go through. And I forgot to tell her. And all of a sudden we're coming up and I'm like, Gracie, hold it up. Yeah.
After we go on that one, that was fun.
Turn around. This is year 2. Okay, let's go.
Amy, I missed you. You have to go on again. Well, that's nobody. Where are you, Amy? Where are you, Amy? That's here.
Well, I don't know. They might have saw me lights turning over at the last second.
How was it? Janet, how was it? Janet,
Okay. Where is he?
No, I'm gonna go. I don't know. You going on?
How many times did you do it, Alex?
9.
I'm afraid. Ben, Alex. Yeah, you are.
I am. I just was. Mine was just.
Right, stay right there.
I want to go down that one again.
It is good, dear.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Ben? Okay? That gives me the right to speak. Okay? I didn't realize you were there.
Hi, Kara. I think now, but I don't know.
You are too slow. I'm sorry, I slowed down so I wouldn't cream him. Next one. I won't even answer anything.
Goodbye water slide for 1994. Amy!
I was wondering why they were making
Thank you.
Some of that. We'll bring her back. Give me chips.
What? Okay. Un.
Why don't you want some chips if you have to? I think I'll allow you. So you got a few things. I can't take it in. Look at him. Look at him. Take it in. I'll do it. I'm on. There's nothing bad. Oh, look at him.
No.
Can I have some?
Yeah, can't do anything. I have one. Got a top on it, too.
I had a double.
What else?
In the mill. No, not brown. I didn't get to the ice cream place in the mill. I mean, that's the horseradish.
Hey, Dad. Oh, did you get it?
Oh, yeah, fun for me.
It's the saddest day of the week. Friday, sunset. Our final cocktail hour on the beach. Wow, Amy's fishing. What a change. Aunt Joni's taking her last
I ran into Ben a couple of times. Right, Ben?
Ben! What? You run into Uncle Pat a few times on the floor?
Yeah.
Whoops. Bridget. Oh, you're going to fix your
Uncle Pat
Bridget,
joined the party last night. And then
but you will not surpass Actus, right?
Agus. Agix.
Where's Alex?
He's out in the canoe with Sarah.
Where's your boyfriend?
Bridget! Bridget! Bridget!
That's your daddy. Where's your mommy? Where's mommy?
Bridget!
Where's mommy?
Bridget!
Bridget, what's my name? Yay, Marga.
But then I would have said that if I heard something say before.
Hi, Marga. Where's the cat? Oh, God. Marga, Nina, cat, prim and proper. Did you tell Uncle Pat where prim and proper was?
Where's prim and proper?
Papa Prim.
Where are they? Gracie, Bridget? Are they with Greggy? Are they with Greggy?
Yes.
Just say something nice, something. Let's be preface.
Bridget, where's Agix?
Where's Agix?
She's going to be a sign language interpreter when she grows up.
Where's Joan?
She's out in the rail.
Oh, that's Joan? Yeah, I hear her. Come here. Come here.
Oh, she's doing patty cake. Put it in the oven.
Uncle Pat knows how to do that. Bake me your cake as fast as you can.
Patty cake.
Roll it and mark it with beans. Put it in the oven for you and for me. She gets close enough to you. Oh, I love this. What is this now?
She wants a pony. Do I want to have Lisa. Don't take it to Lisa.
Yes. Where's Lisa? Where's Lisa? Lisa. Is that Pat Lisa?
Want me to put a pony in your hair?
Are you bringing it up here,
You want a pony?
Hey, Ben, how was your vacation?
Here, I put a pony.
Well, I guess so. Did
What was the best time?
you have fun on the slide?
Fun spot. Oh, we could stay home and do fun spots.
Oh, was it? Laura!
When did Patty
Leave me about like a
Mary Grace. Gracie girl, how was your vacation?
No, I thought that was all before.
the week. Daddy is deflating the raft.
I just said to the couple across from us, like that.
What you got, Bridge? Say beer?
Have a beer. Numma, numma, numma.
Oh yeah, I eat
I gave her a lollipop. The first thing she did, she bit a piece off and started choking.
No, I hate them.
Is it good, Richard?
Oh yeah.
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 I don't know if
Isn't this forward?
yeah, but you should be sitting backwards.
Oh. I'm even close all right side, huh? I thought it was the boat. I was like, ah, that's crazy.
There.
Oh, she's going to...
Alright, Dad, you want to get a picture of us all trekking out?
Yeah.
There's 2 piles of wood that have to go over all you guys over to the fire thing. Are we going to have the bonfire when it gets dark? After dinner. Oh, wow. Look at how huge these are. I'm going to have them. Yummy! Yummy! Oh, it's cool. God, get me away from that noise.
Isn't that cool? I love that. I love it. Lovely.
Oh, you were in the big one. Try to get that.
Like this. How?
Taste it together.
Isn't that cool? It catches
Look at it.
Yeah, so I'm going to do that.
It's a good thing you guys got 3.5 dozen, because we're only going to have like 1 dozen left by the time.
Hey!
Hey,
There's more!
we're taking that.
No!
Yes.
No!
Please, be my guest.
And where's the ones that you were like throwing away?
Ew, you guys are going to eat those?
Why was this thrown away?
Because look at it.
So you need to do?
Oh, yummy. Oh, God. Ew, you sick. Ew, but look at the inside. Mary Gray?
Yeah, look at the inside of another.
Clothes out on your All right, where's the one that was split open? Your clothes out.
Yeah, pass me a piece of corn.
Lisa.
Hey Frank, how do you work this?
What is she on?
She's with Alex. And,
On the stroller.
Careful, Alex.
How was that, Grace?
Again. We're getting a workout.
Is that all we have, are 5 sausages?
Yeah.
So that's for you and me, right?
Yeah.
So how do you work that? How do you get that to go? So you haven't played anything yet that you recorded?
Yeah, I have.
Uh-huh. How much did that run you, if you don't mind my asking?
I'll tell you in a second.
One day someone will be writing your
Yeah, the girls have it. I don't want to see chunks of bread down there, okay?
No, they eat them. And say it out of your hand.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Who did that?
Lisa.
Oh, being married to Frank too long.
He had me on
It's
film.
rubbing off.
We'll put that on TV.
On the canoe?
or whatever you were writing with.
Well, the initial flotation device was not successful.
Why was that?
Well, first because I was sitting in the wrong direction. Second, because the oars were the wrong way. Third, because the oars were too far into the water.
Okay.
So it was clear that it was not a match made in heaven. But then Joan and I went into the canoe, and then we canoed out about halfway out to the island. Delicious.
What about, yeah, I was looking at like,
Can you freeze the frame of that and make a picture?
policy.
I don't know.
Send you to your room.
No, that's
Really nice.
Yeah, really.
Well,
Excuse me, Frank.
Go ahead.
What's that? What is it? Hi.
I don't have my macro lens on.
Hey, Frank.
Mm-hmm.
Toasting my buns there. You want to watch them? Pardon me.
Mommy hasn't eaten. I mean, the stuff is...
Mom, don't you want a hamburger?
Put a hot dog in.
Okay, that was your practice session. Heads up, this is on tape. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Me and Kim will do the big part and you guys do the echo.
Okay,
No,
ready?
but I have trouble doing on the echo part at the end.
All right, then don't do
Can I say it with you?
No, then don't worry about it. Just
I want to say it.
Ben.
Go ahead.
I know that. Ready? 1, 2.
You don't know?
Fling. Fling. Fly. Fly. Please fly. Please fly. Please fly. Flow. Please fly. Flow. Beef steak. Beef steak. Kumalama. 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 Beef steak. Kumalama. Kumalama. Beef steak. Oh no 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 not the beef steak. Oh no 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 not the beef steak.
Not difficult it is to be a shot cat.
Right, exactly. That's right. I'll scratch you.
Not difficult.
Oh,
no scratching, Amy. That's bad.
That is bad.
Amy,
You can't thank people.
I mean,
I didn't say that I will. It's fiddly oatin' dotin' wada, right different dotin' fiddly oatin' fiddly oatin' wada.
Hey, you did it. Excellent.
A little man in the window said, go right here right now. Knocking at his door.
Help me, help me, help me, he cried. For the hunter shoots me down. Little rabbit, come inside.
Give you my secret.
For you will hide. In a cottage by the woods, a little man in winter saw a hunter burning bright, knocking at his door. Help me, help me, help me, cried. The hunter little rabbit, come inside.
He's going to get 2 points in this.
In a cottage by the woods, a little man in winter saw a rabbit running by, knocking at his door.
No, she's
Help
kidding
me,
them.
help me, help me, cried.
After all the things that
It's a
Oh,
bride.
you remember that from nursery school?
in a cottage by the woods, a little lady. Oh, I'll have another.
No,
Knocking at his door.
He goes right
Help
to
me,
negotiation.
help me,
Instantly.
I need a hamburger roll. In a cottage by the woods, a little man in the woods. Saw a rabbit running by. What? Paul took a sip of your Sprite.
Oh, no.
What are we gonna do?
He's getting his revenge.
In a cottage by the woods, a little man in the window sits.
Show the corn.
Corn, steaming corn, New Hampshire corn.
Having.
Okay, I'll pass it. You're gonna be right next to Amy. Then you're gonna be over here.
Over here, Pat.
She thinks you're a kid.
Now, can you take one for the mom and that's son?
Okay.
Here, come here, we're each gonna take one. Oh, let me set it up first. What? There you go.
Come on. I know, I'm just setting it up there.
I'm just pressing the flash. Now you wait, stay there. Come here. I'll take one this way. Okay, now you know what? How about agates in there?
Okay, let me take
Just like all the kids. All the kids.
Hey,
Cam.
Come here, Timmy. All the kitties. Hey, agates. Could I ask you a favor?
What are you looking at her like that for? Good job, Bridget.
Go ahead. Go see agates.
Don't worry.
Go see agates. Bridge, go ahead. You're not gonna
Make sure you drop
drop
her in
her.
the water. Not
Here,
on
Bridge, wanna go see Agate?
No, let Alice pick her up. Go see her.
Just one picture. Oh.
Okay, go ahead, then. Oh, great picture! Wait up! Don't move!
1994.
1994. Now wait, one more. Let's get a close-up shot of all those. Bridget! Look at Oh, great picture. Okay. Yeah. I want you to come on, Dad. Oh yeah. How about you?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Good. That's a good one.
Any more pictures?
Okay, let's go. Everybody up top.
The devil. Dad, smile. What does that word mean?
Was not that great, but we certainly were able to salvage the White Oak Fishing Tournament week, thanks to the help of our 6 competitors. Now, the first award goes to Miss Amy Palestino, because without the bait, there couldn't have been any fish. And for catching the most bait, here is a certificate of distinguished for Amy. And
Go around the other side so you're in the video.
also, from the wilds of Massachusetts, we were able to collect 3 fine specimens of domestic wildlife for Amy.
Oh.
1, 2,
Ferocious wildlife.
and 3. Wild domestic. Now, the next award award goes
Give it a
to...
tissue paper pack so she can wrap them later.
Wrap them up in that, honey, so you don't have to break them.
The next award goes
Amy,
to
let's see.
the person who caught the biggest fish.
Oh.
And the biggest fish was caught by Miss Sarah Beth Palestino.
Woo!
Certificate of Achievement. And your award is a lovely matching set of Indian earrings.
All right.
Made by the New Hampshire Indians.
Wow. What kind of fishing
Award goes to... Let me see now. Now, along with the biggest fish, there were also a number of very adorable, cute fish that were caught by our most adorable and cutest fishing person here. And that was Miss Mary Grace. Catching the cutest fish. So there's your certificate. And of course, Miss Mary Grace helped me pick out her award. And she's been waiting all week for this most onerous. And very patient, waiting for her mother, horse, and baby. Mary Grace.
Beautiful.
Right? Now, the next award. We had a very lovely, sprightly fishing person who was able to catch this year more fish than Alex. And that award goes to Miss Kimberly Palestino. Catching more fish than Alex. And of course, she has such a star-shine personality, we decided to award her with this star.
Isn't that beautiful? That's your necklace. You have to wear.
Right. And then we had, okay. Well, Uncle Frank caught a catfish.
Right.
A big catfish. And Uncle Frank, I'll have to do your certificate of achievement later. But to remind you of that, here is yours.
Oh, thank you.
So catfish. So catfish.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're very
Thank you.
All right, now the next person is a person who displayed tremendous patience and courage in this very difficult and trying week.
Perseverance.
And, and for being the most dedicated fishing person here this week, we have an award for Alex Kemnisser. Yay! And when he finally does catch a fish, which he's going to do next year, because he's going to get good luck, he's going to use that penknife clean it and cook it. Last but not least.
Let's see.
I think that's it. Is that it?
Yep.
Last but not least, the person who fished day and night and day, kept meticulous records, and came up with having caught the most fish of the week, Mr. Benjamin Policy. Yay! Well, was it 25 you finally ended up with? 34. All right, now, as a total change of pace, go to your collection, and also for the most fish, we have the special prize. And we also have for Alex and some gummy worms for Amy, and some caramels for Kim, and some drinks. Oh yes, and we also have here another large grouping of Snickers bars.
Put them in your horsey.
Okay.
Put them in your horsey.
Now, if you want to keep those flat, you can put them all in here. You want to, and then we'll roll back and I'll give them back to you when we get home.
Prettiest face award goes to Miss Bridget Palestino for her gymnastics down the hill. Uh-oh, watch out. Bridget has seen the candy bar. I'll keep these
Bridget saw the candy.
in the bag.
I felt like 34.
Right there was the second face.
No. What did you get? You help me pick them out.
Oh, you got his car? Put him next to you. Did everybody give you this?
Oh, no. She got the Snickers. Thank you.
Benjamin? Are these yours?
No, he has to.
I love one. This is like me with my pants. Yeah. Packing the afternoon.
Oh, they're going around.
Good
Good shopping.
job.